YouTube, what is going on? Rob back with another video. It took me a minute, but I'm dropping another one. Urban river fishing, part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the last one. It's been my best video so far. So I really appreciate all you guys, commenting, liking, sharing, all that. So I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. But without further ado, let's get the ripping. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yep. You might get bit first cast. There's like a big rock in the middle though, like where all those bubbles are. And 2 good ones too. Oh, there's one. Yep, good one. Let's go, baby.
That's crazy.
Let's go, baby. First one of the day, 3rd cast.
Let's go. It's like 3rd cast.
I told you, bro. Beautiful fish. Beautiful rainbow, baby. Hey, that's not a stalker either. They have that top fin.
Okay.
That's an actual native trout to the Cuyahoga River. Let's go, baby. I'm telling you, bro, this Kitech.
Yeah, that might be the
I'm
move.
telling you, bro, it's the fucking move.
You just like popping up and down?
No, I'm just slow reeling it
So maybe they like the white fish.
on that wall. Trying to just act like that bait fish.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit, there's a little pool over here. I'm gonna go over here. It's slurped up. It's my first fish on this reel too, or this combo.
I'm switching to the white one I got.
Yeah. And I'm just like reeling it nice and slow. It's nice and steady. Hey, when they slam you, like it feels like you're stuck for a second. It's crazy how hard they hit. Like, they thump you so good. Like last time I was here, like literally my first cast, I had a follower. It wasn't a rainbow though, it was a largemouth. I seen the line on it, like the lateral line. And I cast it back in there. I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go get my bag. I walked back, got my bag. Literally like 2nd cast over here, I got a rainbow. I'm like, what the fuck? That's why I was so pumped. You said what? Yeah. Trout fishing using bass equipment. Yeah, no, those are good too. Same thing, But yeah, so I just wanted to try something different, and I still don't even have the right shit for it. Now I do though. Like at first I bought those trout eggs because I was going down the Hocking, and the Hocking River is like loaded with brown trout and rainbow trout. I want them. We should go down there and take a trip down there.
Hey, you see the shotgun shell right there?
Yeah. That's crazy.
What I plan on doing this year is going down to the AEP ponds.
Where's that?
Down south. So it's like 30 different ponds, all on a just real close proximity to each other.
I just got tore up.
Drive down by like Cambridge.
Uh-huh.
And we can take our kayaks and shit. And you just fucking go down there and bro, you just go from pond to pond to pond to pond to pond to pond.
Damn.
Literally.
Never even heard of that.
Yeah, no, it's like this whole electrical kind of grid place where they like all the towers are. You're allowed to go down there and fish. And yeah, bro, it's like 30 different ponds all within just close. You walk from one to one to one to one to one to one.
Sounds dope. Like they keep biting my shit like right close. That would be crazy if one of us just hooked on to something fucking crazy.
I'm about to go down here and try to cast up and reel my shit down river.
Yeah. Like, got one. Oh, hey, good one. Good one. Let's go, baby. It's a pretty one. Let's go. Right in the corner of the mouth, too. Should have never left. Beautiful fish. Oh, oh. See ya. Beautiful. Let's go. Yeah, right, literally right on the other. Hey, I let it sink all the way to the bottom and I just reeled it slow. Cause hey, it's deep as fuck over here. Let's go. This is the spot. Never should have left. Need to catch one more at least. I gotta be hooked on something. Yeah. Dude, I thought that was the biggest fish in my life. That's not good. I don't want to lose this fucking jig head. Ah, shit. That hurts so bad. I'm trying, dog. It was just rocks. Fuck. Oh, that'll be good content though. Yep, I just fucking snapped off. Damn it. That's crazy. Hey, you just keep going over there. It's where the fish are, though. Dude, I just had a fucking follower. It followed me all the way up to right here. Big one. Like, big one. That Kitech just moves so crazy. Got one. Good one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is the best one of the day right here. By far. Holy shit. This bitch is fat. This one got bit by another something. I can't get this fucking hook out. All right, I'm getting you back in. You let me. Number 4. Number 4. Look.
Damn.
Yeah, something got it. Let's go, Dakota.
Dude, I'm getting smoked.
Let's go, baby.
I'm getting smoked.
That's one thing about trout, though, they're so slimy. Let's go. I was like, well, I'm gonna switch to the Kitech because they're not committing to this. I just, as I fucking put my whole reel into the water.
Whole reel in the water. Going here, first thing first, try to stay on the black JK. The only one I haven't used.
Let's go. A smallie? Dude, what? That's a biggin.
Watch out, I'm bringing him over here.
Let's go. Dakota's on the board, but that's a good one, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. Finally.
Oh my god.
Dude, what a fish. I bet you that's what was fucking, that just pecked at me a couple times.
This is a good one too.
That's a good smallie.
Like, this is a chunk.
About what, 1.5 probably?
I don't
One?
know, but he's a chunk.
Let's go.
Hold up, I gotta rinse him off. Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah, I got you. This shit, dude. It's a pretty fish. I'm jealous now. I want a smallie, damn it.
That's a solid one.
Let's go. Perfect.
Hell yeah.
Good
He's strong as fuck. Thick as shit. Like, he's trying to move his tail and shit.
Let's
Big
go.
guy,
Dude,
let's
the
go.
colors on that fish is gorgeous.
Let's go.
Let's go. Good shit.
On the board.
Let's go. I'll go the other side of you.
Go over here where I wasn't catching fish yet.
Good shit.
Like I said, bro, I just named these two both days. And it just kind of came with me, and I'm like, well, hold up.
Oh yeah, this is something. Let's go. Good smallies, good rainbows. See if we can get like a largie or something. I know we ain't gonna get a largie out here, but it could happen. Never know. That was a quality smallie too. That was a pretty looking fish. It was healthy, all that. Long. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. As soon as you feel the rock now you're, yeah. Oh, hey, I just got fucking bit twice in a row. Thump, thump. Let's go. Finally, both of us on the board. Took us coming back to the same spot we started at. Should have never left. Should have never left literally this spot. Right here.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you can, if you would, please like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button. A lot of the people that's watching my videos are not subscribed. Like a lot of them, like 70% of them. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. It helps the channel grow, all that. So, and also subscribe, like, comment, because my boy Murphman said so. Because my boy Murphman said so. Because he's a good boy. He was a good boy. It's like, let me out, Dad. But all right, I'm gonna let my boy out. Keep watching the vids. Keep sharing them. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.